Well, I've reported on countless elections as a journalist, but since being selected as the Plaid Cymru candidate for the by-election in Ynys on August the 1st, I know now that nothing compares with talking to people, listening to you, the voters, about what's important to you. From the outset, I've said that jobs and the economy are my priorities, and it's quite clear to me that those priorities are shared by the people of Anglesey. Anglesey needs sustainable, well-paid jobs, and making that happen is what's important to me. If you help me get elected as the Plaid Cymru Assembly member for Ynys Môn, I'll do my very best to help transform the economy of the island. I promise to work with businesses, industry and the public sector to attract good jobs and support more apprenticeships and training so that our young people have the opportunity to get those good local jobs. I'll put the needs of Anglesey, its communities and our workforce at the heart of the Wilfa development. I'll ensure we get investment to improve transport and press for urgent action to ease congestion across the Britannia Bridge. I'll challenge the Welsh Labour government's policy of closing small schools regardless of the impact this has on communities, and oppose Labour plans to remove services from hospitals. I'll be the strong local voice for Anglesey, promoting all that the island has to offer in terms of its tourism, produce, culture and the Welsh language. Only Plaid Cymru, the party of Wales, will really fight for the future of Ynys Môn. I promise to listen, I promise to act to make sure that that future is a bright one.